Hello, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video. Today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you that how to create newsletter on Mailchimp. So basically this is a great platform to start with and create newsletter for your business, for your product, or for whatever reason you want to create a newsletter for on your email newsletter or for online. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is you need to go to sign up and click here and wait for the website to load up. And here are some of the plans that they offer. So you're going to go with the free plan here. What you need to do is simply click on sign up. You can go through them and read all the benefits that you can get. And then after, what you need to do is you're going to enter your email here. And after that, we'll proceed. So once you've entered your email, username and password, what you need to do is click on sign up. And after that, it'll take a bit of a loading. And then after that, you would be successfully signed up to your Mailchimp, right? And after that, what you need to do is you need to verify the email that you've entered. Simply, they'll send you an email. You can go there and simply verify your. Okay, so once you activate your account, this is the landing page that's going to be where you're going to select the plan. So we're going to continue with the free plan, and after that, it's going to ask us for our name and business name. So what we're going to do is we're going to enter that. So I'm going to go and type in them, and once you enter that, what you're going to do is go next, and after that, you're going to add the address of your business, and after they go next. Okay, once you go through them, what you need to do is you need to go and select your goal that you want to do with the Mailchimp, why you created the Mailchimp account, and once after that, go click next. And after that, what you're going to do is why you're going to use this. So we're going to click on email, so engage your audience, and after that, go click next. And after that, you can just simply go through them and set it up regarding your requirement. And once that's done, what you're going to do is you're going to click next. You're going to choose your. Then after that, you can enter the URL to your website, but we are not going to do that. And then after that, we can just simply go click finish. Once the setup, now we are going to land up here. As you can see, this is the home page of the. Once we are here, what we're going to do is we're going to create a template. So to do that, what you need to do is on the left hand side, you will see a button called create. Click on create, and after that, this will show up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on email. And as you can see, there are different kind of templates that we can choose from, or we can just simply, if we click on create, we're going to see them here too. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go a regular email, right? So we can just click here, or we can just click here and click on regular email. Now, once we click here, it's going to load up. And after that, you would see that loading. Now here you would get different kind of templates. You can choose them from here too. You can select your campaign too. And once you select and go through this, basically you can go select a classic build, or you can just select new builder. So you're going to go with a classic builder, right? And we're going to go and wait. Then now what's the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to select a template for our newsletter. So what we're going to do is we're going to just go click here on the sale products, and then we're going to go with this column. Okay, and after that, after a bit of a loading, it's going to load up. Basically the editor is going to load up here. Okay, so once the template is loaded up, now what we're going to do is we're going to click here on the edit button. As simple as this. Just navigate which you want to edit and click on the edit button, right? And then after that, what you can do is just simply click on replace and select one of the logos that you've added. You can go here or go to Creative Assistant, and it's going to help you. But we are interested in, you can also click a link, create a link and edit here, and you can use that as your logo. Then you can also edit the size of the logo here. Similarly for the post, you can just click here, then you can go click on replace, and after that, wait for a bit. Then you can also search for items online, and you can also search for items on Instagram. You can connect your Instagram to this. You can add posts there. But we can also click on my files, or we can just simply go and upload files, or just import URLs and paste them here. And this way we can just simply go ahead and add items here. And simply to edit these, we can just simply click on the pen tool and go click on text. And then after that, we can just simply go here, that here is the product page that I am editing. It's simple as this. And then after that, similar for them, you just click on the pen tool, and after clicking on the pen tool, what's going to happen is basically you'll be able to edit what's going to happen here, what you want to replace things with. And simply you can go and click in style. You can just go change the font. You can also give them a different size. You can also change the distance between the fonts, and this is how you can edit all the things from inside the template, all the settings inside the template. And this is how you can edit the template and use it in your own way. I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.